Hey everybody, how you doing? Are you getting ready for a 4th of July DIY? Because I'm getting ready to show you. We are going to be making faux desserts again for the 4th. These are going to be adorable. So if you are in the market for some DIYs on faux desserts, stick around. Okay guys, are you ready to make some ice cream for the 4th of July? Who doesn't eat ice cream on the 4th of July? Half the time you're making the ice cream that you're going to be eating on the 4th of July, am I right? Okay, what I did is I went to the Dollar Tree and they had these little cups. Well, they didn't have any that were really cute. This actually was with the graduation. The one they had at mine for 4th of July was not cute at all. So I could use this and it would be fine because it's stars. But I want more colorful. Do something a little bit more that really stated 4th of July. So I got some napkins and I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge the napkin onto here and we'll see what we get. Okay, what I did is I cut a piece of the napkin and I want to get it sized about right. So I'm going to cut this. I thought this was so cute. To me it's very old-fashioned because of the font on it. And the colors are kind of muted. Let's make sure that that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so now I'm going to take, and again, you know what, I really wouldn't have to go through all this. I just wanted to go a little bit better with my theme. And like I said, these would be fine. There's nothing wrong with these. It's, you know, it's a star. I mean, that always happens. I want to keep that part on there. Usually I would just take it off, but I want that to be an extra little bit so you won't see the stars as much, but if you do, it's really no big deal. I was thinking about using ribbon, but the way that it goes, the ribbon wouldn't meet right and it wouldn't adhere down. This is so pliable because it's so thin. With the Mod Podge you can do whatever you want. Ribbon isn't so forgiving, so I'm not going to use the ribbon. See the way this is kind of buckling? That's what the ribbon would have done, but this I can glue down easier than I would have been able to a ribbon, and then I can just cut it off at the bottom. That's why I decided to use a napkin. And I don't care that it's wrinkly. I think it adds to what I'm doing, actually. Okay, I want to get enough Mod Podge to make sure that it stays down. Alright, I'm going to let this dry, finish this off, and cut it, and then I'll be back. I want to show you another way that I'm doing it as well. Is I am taking a cupcake liner, and I just cut it. And I am just putting it whatever way I can. I think that's going to be cute too. Now, really, this is for maybe if, say that they didn't have anything that even remotely went with whatever you're doing. Whether it be 4th of July, Christmas. Okay, say that this was Easter. Well, you might want to do something different than stars, right? So if you have even some cupcake liners that have an Easter theme, you can do that with these as well. So if you have these kind of cups, but they don't go with whatever you're wanting it to go with, just get out your cupcake liners. And this is what I did. And this is a different one than this one. That does not matter. It goes good. And if it overlaps, good. All the better. So I'm just going to cut this. Make sure that it's down. And I can cut, or I can just put under with the Mod Podge when I'm done here. Okay, look which way to see this goes the best. I think I like that. Almost looks like bunting, doesn't it? Okay. Now all I'm going to need is a little bit more. And there you go, there's another cup. Actually, this one would have been cute, just like this, and then the stars left, because it would have looked like a bunting. I might do one like that, I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, see how I just pieced that together? There's no rhyme or reason. So now I'm going to let this dry. See? So here we have this one and this one. One out of a napkin, one out of cupcake liners. When we get ready to do the ice cream, I'll bring you back. Okay. Here's our cup, okay, and this, I think I'm going to put a cherry, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to cut a straw to put in with my ice cream. So let's pipe in our spackle. Yes, our spackle, that's what we're going to make our ice cream out of. It's going to be a soft serve ice cream. All right, let's finish this off. This is not enough ice cream for anybody, is it? So we're going to just pipe in some more. All right, there's your ice cream. Now let's put for decoration, let's try to get it up right here. While you still can. And let's put a pretty cherry. There's your ice cream. To me, this is very, very Victorian with the cherry, the type of font. Very, very cute. Now let's see what we'll do with this one. Okay, I think I'm going to do strawberry ice cream in this one. So we're going to use the red because it's not going to turn red, it's going to turn pink. Let's see. The July, I'm sure they have strawberry ice cream. We're going to need a little bit more because these cups are pretty deep. You know what I was thinking? Cricut. I have a Cricut. And I know I bought a cartridge, because it's an old Cricut. I know I bought a cartridge that was for the cupcake liners. I'm going to find that, and I'm going to see and try to make my own and see what happens. That made it pretty pink. But I need a little bit more because that's not going to be enough. One of those cupcakes with this too. Okay, let me show you what I did. I put some at the bottom, and I made this to where it can be marbled. See the white and the pink? I think that's pretty. So let's get some ice cream in this container. Very nice. Okay, so let's put, you want a cherry on that, or do we want a strawberry? Okay, for this one, I think we're going to put a strawberry right there, along with the blue straw. So if it starts to melt, they can drink it, right? So there you go. There you go for another decor piece for your 4th of July. Did you really think I wasn't going to make chocolate? Gotta have chocolate. Did one more of the cups with a cupcake liner, and I just mixed some brown with the spackle. So I need a little bit more. Okay, what are we gonna do? Cherry? No. We're gonna put a flag on this one. And there's your chocolate ice cream. So I'll bring them all back to show you in a minute. Okay guys, we're done with the ice creams, and let's take a closer look. All right, down here, the cups where I put the napkin and cupcake liners with the Mod Podge. I think it turned out really cute. This one's my favorite, I think. I really like that. But I like the different patterns as well. So with the strawberry, I just added red paint, which made it this pink color. Added a faux strawberry and cut off a piece of a 4th of July straw. And the chocolate, added brown to the white and just added a flag. And then the vanilla, I added a faux cherry with a straw as well. So very easy. You saw how easy they were. If you had everything, it wouldn't take you just an hour at the most. So I hope you like this idea. If you do, give it a try. Let me know. Let me know how you like it. And until the next DIY, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.